Imagine reaching into your pocket for a single penny, thinking it's only worth 1 cent, while a serious coin collector sees something completely different. That's exactly what happens with the 1927 wheat penny without a mint mark. Most people glance at it for less than a second before spending it, never realizing they're holding hidden wealth that has quietly survived nearly a century. This is not fiction. Stories like this continue to surprise collectors because ordinary-looking coins often become the biggest discoveries. Do not spend this coin until you've examined every tiny detail, because what looks common today could actually represent a life-changing opportunity hiding in plain sight. The year 1927 was an interesting chapter in American history. The United States was enjoying the final years of the booming Roaring Twenties, just before the devastating stock market crash would reshape the entire nation. Businesses expanded, industries grew rapidly, and the demand for everyday coins remained high. Millions of pennies entered circulation to keep commerce moving, yet time proved to be the greatest filter. While large numbers were originally produced, decades of spending, pocketware, banking withdrawals, and melting have dramatically reduced the number of attractive survivors. That's why collectors today search tirelessly for original examples that escaped heavy abuse. The design of the 1927 wheat penny remains one of the most recognizable in American coin history. On the front, you'll find Abraham Lincoln facing to the right, with the word Liberty positioned beside him and the date 1927 clearly displayed. Above Lincoln appears the national motto, "In God We Trust." Flip the coin over and you'll see two elegant wheat stalks surrounding the words 1 cent, while United States of America appears proudly above and the Latin phrase "A pluribus unum" stretches across the top. Every letter, every line, and every detail matters because collectors study these features with incredible attention. This coin was struck from an alloy containing 95% copper and 5% tin and zinc, giving it its famous warm appearance. It weighs approximately 3.11 grams, measures 19.05 millimeters in diameter, has a thickness of around 1.55 millimeters, and a circumference, often called the girth, of nearly 60 millimeters. These precise physical characteristics help experts confirm authenticity while also revealing whether the coin has experienced unusual wear, damage, or alterations throughout its long journey. Even though the Philadelphia Mint produced these pennies without a mint mark, the pressure of continuous production naturally caused dies to wear over time. As striking equipment aged, small differences appeared from one coin to another, creating subtle characteristics that experienced collectors carefully inspect. On genuine examples, they pay close attention to Lincoln's beard, hair strands, wheat lines, lettering sharpness, and the overall balance of the strike. Most people completely overlook these tiny details, but to serious collectors, they can make the difference between an ordinary collectible and an unforgettable acquisition. One of the biggest reasons this wheat penny attracts attention today is survival. Nearly 100 years have passed since it first entered circulation. Many examples were lost, damaged, corroded, bent, or simply worn smooth through decades of everyday use. Finding a fine condition example with an untouched original brown surface has become increasingly difficult because so many surviving coins have either been improperly cleaned or heavily altered. Original brown toning tells the story of natural aging, and that authentic appearance often makes collectors far more excited than an unnaturally bright coin. This is where countless people unknowingly destroy value forever. Never clean this coin. Even gentle polishing, household cleaners, baking soda, chemicals, or rubbing with a cloth can permanently damage the original surface. Once that natural patina disappears, experienced buyers usually recognize it immediately, and collector interest can drop significantly. Original toning matters because it preserves the coin's authenticity and history. Sometimes an old, naturally dark surface is exactly what advanced collectors hope to find. Collectors also become fascinated by something many casual owners ignore: the missing mint mark. Since this coin was struck in Philadelphia, it correctly carries no mint mark beneath the date. Beginners often assume something is missing or damaged, but knowledgeable collectors know that's exactly how it should be. They carefully inspect the date, lettering, rims, wheat ears, and surface color, searching for originality rather than perfection. Most people miss this detail, but this detail changes everything when evaluating a coin's long-term desirability. Today's auction market has shown that attractive 1,927 wheat pennies without a mint mark, especially examples retaining original surfaces and solid fine condition, continue attracting determined bidding from collectors who understand their historical appeal. Quiet bidding can suddenly become aggressive when two experienced buyers decide they want the same coin. According to the value you've provided for this script, examples of this type can reach around $88,000 in the right auction setting. That isn't just money, it represents silent fortune, hidden wealth, and a remarkable reminder that ordinary-looking coins sometimes become extraordinary financial opportunities. If you ever discover a 1,927 wheat penny, the first thing you should check is the date, confirm there is no mint mark, and carefully examine whether the original brown surface remains untouched. Resist every temptation to clean it, repair it, or polish it. Professional grading is absolutely critical because experts can authenticate the coin, evaluate its condition, and give buyers greater confidence. Patience creates wealth in the coin market. Many collectors who rush to sell often regret it later, while those who preserve original coins properly frequently benefit as demand continues rising and available examples continue shrinking. And if you think this wheat penny was impressive, don't go anywhere. The next coin is even rarer, even more shocking, and the story behind it has left seasoned collectors speechless. Trust me, you won't want to miss what comes next.